morning and welcome to another fall cozy day in my life. Today is probably one of the most coziest days ever because it's 45 degrees outside in New Jersey today. I think New Jersey is getting hit with like a cold front or something because wow, it is cold. I walked outside today and I was like, what is going on? So I figured no better time to do another cozy fall vlog because today is really going to be embracing all of that coziness. Of course, we're going to start off with some skin prep. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do today, but I do have a few things in mind that I definitely do want to go check out, and I thought it would be fun to do together. So I'm starting off with just doing a little bit of fall makeup. I broke the adapter to my foundation, so please excuse me using a Q-tip to get this on my face. I actually have to get a new foundation, but I want to make sure I get every last drop in it because I don't want to waste it. I have a lot of exciting fall plans this week. They're not all going to be shown in this video because I'm going to make a whole other video dedicated to it, but I thought it would be fun to kind of just talk about as well because as you guys know, I'm a fall girl and I'm also moving to Florida soon, so I'm really trying to get everything related to fall done before I go. Obviously there is still going to be fall vlogs, there's still going to be that fall aesthetic, so don't worry, and I will be back in New Jersey for the fall next year, so don't worry, the fall and Christmas and all of those vibes are still going to be here because I'll be here for the holidays and for a little bit during fall next year, so don't worry. And I'm saying that because I'm getting a lot of comments since I am known as a fall girl. Everyone's like, why are you moving to Florida if you're a fall girl? Oh my gosh, what about the fall content? Don't worry, I would never give up my fall content. I would never not be around during the fall. I'm gonna come visit during the fall. I'm gonna visit my family, my friends, and then I'll be here for Christmas as well. So don't worry, fall content is not going anywhere, but I do want to prioritize it the most when I am here. So this week, it's Thursday right now, on Saturday, I'm going apple picking with my friend Brianna. I'm so excited. I absolutely love apple picking. I love the aesthetic of it, and I also just think it's such a fun fall activity. One of the main reasons I love fall so much is because of all of the activities you can do during the fall and it being like that nice, beautiful, crisp weather where it's not too hot but it's not too cold. I love apple picking. I think it's so cute to dress up and take some fall pictures with your friends, your family, your partner, whatever it may be. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So I'm doing that with my friend Brianna, and then on Sunday I'm going to a pumpkin farm and a sunflower farm with my mom and my brother and his girlfriend. Chad, who's my boyfriend, can't come because he has to watch our puppy. We don't want to leave her alone. We take turns watching her since she's so small. So he's gonna go apple picking with me next weekend. But I'm gonna go with my mom, my brother, and his girlfriend to the pumpkin farm and the sunflower farm, and I'm really excited for that. But that's all gonna be in a different video. I just wanted to give the rundown because I'm so excited and I love all of those fall activities. But in this video, I definitely want to go to Trader Joe's because Trader Joe's is coming out with that like mini Halloween tote bag, kind of like the pastel one that came out during the spring, but it's Halloween and it's supposed to be coming out this week and I can't wait. So of course we have to go. I want to look for an apple picking outfit. Not that I can't find one in my closet, but I have a vision and I really would like to get a picture in this vision. So if I can find it, I'm gonna get it at TJ Maxx, and I might also want to make a Halloween haunted house, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically like a gingerbread house kit, but it's a haunted house kit. So there is a lot of things I want to get done today, and of course we're gonna start with making a little fall breakfast, but today's fall breakfast is gonna be more of like a sweet treat because I've been craving this so badly. So if you watched my videos last year, I found this cinnamon bar from Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, it is the best thing I've ever had. I've been craving it so badly this year and I actually forgot I had it in my pantry. I've been waiting for my Trader Joe's to get it back in stock and I had it all of this time. I was like, oh. So I found it this morning and we're definitely gonna make it because I want it so badly. For my hair, I think for right now, I'm just gonna French braid it. Also, look at how stinking cute my shirt is. I got this from TJ Maxx. I think it's adorable. I think it really goes with that like Halloween theme. French braid. It's kind of like a messy French braid, but it'll have to do because I literally just don't have the patience right now. I'm really hungry, so let's go make my little cinnamon bar treats. Here's the little outfit slash pajamas of the day. The shirt, like I said, is from TJ Maxx. The pants are from Hollister. They're these like white gray camo, and then I'm wearing Uggs that my boyfriend got me. We're gonna make these cinnamon roll blondie bars from Trader Joe's. I'm so excited about these. I can't wait, so let's just get into it.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I'll hurt the ones that...
Here's the mixture before going into the oven. It looks a little iffy before going in, but I promise it does taste good once it actually rises and bakes. So we're gonna put it into the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. My cinnamon blondie bars are still in the oven. They needed about like 10 more minutes and they have to cool anyways. So I'm gonna make this Haunted Mansion cookie house kit that I got from Target. I try to make one of these every year and usually I can't get the house to stand up straight. Last year was the first year that I was able to, and I used a different type of frosting, but I also learned that using hot glue could work too, as long as you're not planning on eating it, obviously. So I usually don't eat mine, so I'm either gonna use frosting or hot glue since I won't be eating it to make it stand up, but we're gonna make this little kit and hopefully I can make it look cute.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way.
I'm still working on my house, but I just took a break to take this out of the oven. It smells really good. It may be a tad overcooked, but I'm hoping that it still tastes good. But it has to cool before we put the frosting on anyway, so I'm gonna keep working on the house. I just finished decorating all the individual pieces for the house. It's best to decorate them before actually making the house and then putting the house all together like this, because that's how you get the best results, but it's important to let them all dry first. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and let them all dry before actually trying to assemble the house. I think overall it looks pretty cute and I'm pretty proud of myself. Let's see if I can actually make the house stand up like that though, because that's the real challenge. Now I'm going to finish icing my cinnamon bars while we wait for this to dry. Smells so good, and final product honestly came out amazing. Just tried the cinnamon blondie bars. Honestly, they taste really good. I think I put them in too big of a pan though, because the thickness of them is a little bit not as thick as they should be, but the taste is there and it's just like a thinner bar, if that makes sense, but it's still really good. I am going to finish working on my house now. I really hope I can get it to stand up because I think it would look really cute, but every single time I try, an exception to last year, it has been a fail. So let's see how this goes. I was able to do it. I honestly think it looks pretty good, and I wasn't expecting to actually be able to get it to stand, so I didn't even film myself trying. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. I think that looks pretty good and I'm excited about my little haunted house. It's a bit later now. I'm honestly very, very happy with how my haunted house came out. I honestly didn't expect to be able to get it to stand up. Will it stay standing up is a whole different question, but we got past the hard part and we got it to look somewhat cute. So I would rate it like a 6 out of 10. I'm not the best at being artistic, but I think it was cute and it was like a 10 out of 10 for how fun it was. Right now I'm at Trader Joe's. I really want to see if they have the mini tote bag I was talking about, and I also want to get some fresh flowers, kind of like fall themed, and also just a few groceries. So let's go into Trader Joe's and get some stuff.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know
I just got back from Trader Joe's and I got such a cute bundle of flowers. Look at these colors. Tell me this isn't so cute. They smell amazing. I did an orange, a little sunflower, and then like a maroon purple type of flower. I think they're so cute and I'm so excited to put them in water. And then I did go up to the front desk and I asked about the Halloween tote bags, and the employee said that they're coming next Wednesday. It's Thursday right now, so I believe that's October 8th. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going right in the morning on October 8th and I'll of course vlog it. But if you've been keeping up with my fall vlogs, you would know I've been looking for the Trader Joe's sugar cookies that have pumpkins on them. They're honestly identical to the Pillsbury ones, but I just wanted to see if they were worth the hype. I finally found them. Look at how cute these are. They do remind me a lot of the Pillsbury ones, and if I'm being honest, I really don't think anything will ever beat the Pillsbury iconic flavor, but I thought it would be fun to actually give them a try since I was able to find them, and I'm very excited. And then I was talking about before how my Trader Joe's didn't have these cinnamon bars for so long. Of course, I go into the store today, they're fully stocked. I'm like, wow, I've been looking for these for weeks and now they have them. It's good to know that they have them because they are really good. I didn't get any this time just because I just made them, but definitely want to make them again this season, so I'll probably get them next time I go to Trader Joe's. But I'm very happy about the two things I got. I want to go inside now and put my flowers in water because I think they're gonna look so pretty in the kitchen, and I just am so happy about all the fall vibes, and these flowers are really bringing that fall spirit to life, if that makes sense. So let's go inside and put these flowers in some water. Put my flowers in water. They look really pretty. I'm actually gonna get ready now to go to the Yankee playoff game. Me and my boyfriend just got invited and we're very excited to see how this game goes. I really wasn't expecting to go to this at all, and to be honest, I didn't even know it was today, but he just asked me if I wanted to go and his uncle invited him, so I have to quickly fix my hair and get ready because we have to leave by like 6 p.m. I just got ready for the game. Here's my little outfit. I honestly just put mascara on and that's it because I don't feel like doing my makeup, but I did do my hair. I just put them into little pigtails. It is a bit colder, so I'm wearing this jersey. I tucked it in. I don't know how to style it without having it open. I know some people tuck it under the bra, but I don't know how to do that, if I'm being honest, so I'm still trying to figure out that. I'm wearing these ripped jeans. I don't know if you can tell well, but they're from American Eagle and then Air Force Ones. I feel like this looks pretty cute. I just have to figure out how to actually style the jersey. Let me know if this looks okay. I really don't know, but I'm very excited. We are about to leave to go to the game. The game is at 8. It's 6 o'clock right now, and we're gonna go to my boyfriend's uncle's house, and then he's gonna drive us there, and it should be really fun. So let's go to the game.